Hello traders, welcome to the channel. I'm your host Running Forward. The market is in correction mode. Let's dive in and then I'll share with you why I picked up a IWM leap call yesterday. So let's look at the SPY. Well, this is for educational purpose only. This is not financial advice. So let's look at SPY. SPY from the high here to the current price, it has pulled back for about 6%. And we can clearly see that it's in a downtrend. It has made lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, so it's in a downtrend. And also yesterday, the price closed below 200 MA. And look at the QQQs. The Qs, let's see, from the high to yesterday's close, it has dropped about 7%. Same thing, lower highs and lower lows in a downtrend. DIA is the same. DIA dropped even more. From the high to the low, to the close yesterday, it's 8%, close to 9. It also closed below the 200 MA. So we don't know where is support. Maybe here it has some support, maybe, but even though we can draw a line, it doesn't mean that's going to be support. Support is when the price action starts to show that buyers are getting in. So if we come to the SPY, we can see that here I had a line drawing here. It's supposed to be a support area, but it didn't hold. And now we're coming to this area. We'll see how price action goes. So in this kind of market situations, the best thing to do is to remember that cash is a position. Always try to protect your capital. You can stay on the sidelines and work on a watch list. What do I mean by that? There are a lot of charts that has good price action, but because the market is in the correction mode, it's not the best time to get in. You always want to trade in the direction of the market, unless you're trading short. You're buying puts or something, or you can do the inverse ETFs in this situation. But what I did yesterday was I picked up a leap call on IWM, excuse me, because if we look at IWM, it also has pulled back quite substantially. I think it actually pulled back even more than the other ones. Yeah, also about 9%. But if we look at the details, it didn't close below the 200. And if we come to the weekly, it seems like that it's coming to this price area, the $244 range, versus the other indices. They don't have that kind of support nearby. DIA is probably the closest. It has a support somewhere here near 451. QQQ, nothing there unless it comes down all the way down to 540. SPY, nothing until we get close to about 610-ish. So out of the indices, IWM seems to be stronger. Maybe that's not the right word. In a longer trend. So this one, I got a leap call, so I have time for it to work it out. We know that the Qs and the SPY are down so hard because tech are not performing. Versus IWM doesn't have this. They don't have that many. They don't have tech stocks in the indices. So, like I said, the best way in the correction is to remember cash is a position. Always try to preserve your capital, and then work on a watch list. So when the market does turn to your favor, you can jump in and do the trade. In the description of the email, I'll put down some book links to which will better explain why I picked up the IWM leap call. If you're interested, check them out. Hopefully, those books I read all three of them. Those books helped me to take away the stress, of picking the right stocks. If you feeling pressured, don't know what to do in the market, but you want to invest, you don't want to miss out because the dollars are devaluing every day. I think you can find some valuable lessons in those books as well. So hopefully you find some value in this video. Until next time, bye for now.